guys, this week's quick tip video is a tip on how to create work-life balance at home. Life balance is something that's brought up often. It's very challenging when everything is now going on at home. A lot of people are working virtually. My suggestion is to separate your space physically. So when you start your day, say goodbye to your partner like you did before you were working virtually. Did you have breakfast together? How did you say goodbye to your partner? Continue to do that in order to have a good separation there. The second thing to consider is like the physical space. So if you are working out of a home office, make that be your home office. So if somebody calls you, after hours or while you're eating lunch, be very intentional about getting up from that time to go into your office to talk about work. The same tip can be utilized if you are actually working in your office. Consider creating a healthy workspace by thinking about where you have different types of conversations. For example, for me, when I am doing virtual therapy, I am sitting here in this same space, same camera angle, everything, right? Because this is my therapy chair. I have my same, throw pillow that I use when I'm with clients in person. So this is my therapy space. When I'm working on growing the business, I use the other side of this desk. I have a desk here in the corner of my therapy room. And on this side, I have my diploma, I have a logo, and I intentionally sit in a different chair and do a whole different view and setup to have my mind space more focused on creating a business and growing the business versus providing healthy therapy for my clients. So how can you use that same idea? Perhaps if you are having a challenging conversation with an employee, can you take that into a conference room? Can you have that conversation at a different chair, or just taking advantage of the space that you have to be intentional about what that space is used for? If you're new here, hi, my name is Emily. I create videos like this every week, focusing on quick tips to help your relationship. Thank you so much for watching. We'll talk soon, guys.